Mileage in heavily loaded utility trucks and vans can vary significantly depending on the specific vehicle, load weight, driving conditions, and maintenance. As a general reference, here are some typical mileage ranges. For utility trucks that are unloaded, they get 15 to 20 miles per gallon. Moderately loaded utility trucks that are loaded 50 to 75% of capacity get 12 to 18 miles per gallon. Heavily loaded utility trucks that are above 75% capacity get 10 to 15 miles per gallon. For vans that are unloaded, they get 18 to 24 miles per gallon. Moderately loaded vans from 50 to 75% capacity get 15 to 20 miles per gallon. Heavily loaded vans above 75% capacity get 12 to 17 miles per gallon. If one is spending $100 to $200 per week on gas, it is worth considering the potential savings of a new truck with better fuel efficiency. The exact amount of savings will depend on the fuel prices and mileage of the new truck, but it is possible that a newer vehicle could significantly reduce gas expenses. To convince a boss to invest in a new truck, one could present the following arguments. Firstly, improve fuel efficiency. One should highlight the potential savings in fuel costs compared to the current truck. Secondly, reduce maintenance and repair expenses. Newer vehicles are generally more reliable and require less frequent repairs. Thirdly, improve driver comfort and safety. A broken driver's seat and non-functioning gauges can impact the safety and well-being of the driver. A new truck would provide a more comfortable and secure work environment. Fourthly, increase productivity. A more efficient and reliable vehicle can reduce travel time and downtime, leading to increased productivity.